outdoor trip for a long drive with friends and family members is always fun-loving. With a camper van, you can enjoy it with all the essential things that give you amazing experiences. Apart from sleeping in a camper van, the most interesting aspect of the traveling is cooking your meals on the road. In a camper van, many people can travel at a time with luxury. Also, washroom and bath facilities with all other features are available there as well. There are a lot of camper vans in the market which you can select based on your need and within your budget as well. And that's why we have listed here the best 5 camper vans for your quick overview. Starting from number 5.
Check the video description for the links of the products. Since you are a new channel, don't forget to subscribe us as it will help us grow. Now let's enjoy the video.
The auspicious history of the Volkswagen camper van begins in the late 1940s, although it's the ideal travel and leisure camper van to make you feel right at home anywhere. The Volkswagen California experienced efficient engines, high-quality interior fittings, modern infotainment, and driver assistance systems, as well as the innovative mobile online services. A turbocharged 2-liter engine and the 4-motion all-wheel drive system makes it handle every terrain from 8-lane highways to dirt roads. But for this camper addict, it was the inside that impressed most people. A motorized pop-up bed space allows 2 adults to sleep up above, and the bench sit down below turns into an additional sleeping space which is perfect for kids. When you're not sleeping, a table pulls out from the galley kitchen, where you'll also find a 2-burner gas stove top, small kitchen sink, and top access fridge. The California 6.1 offers comfort in a small space. Also, you can set up the elevating roof of the camper van in just a few easy steps at your holiday destination and stopover. The Storyteller Overland Mercedes Sprinter is best for them who have 1 or 2 children who are into their adventure sports. It's a 4x4 off-road bear home of the looks, feels and drives like a luxury RV, and we cannot get enough out of it. The flex place inside this ingenious conversations houses a shower and curtain sub that can be erected in the blink of an eye and packed up when not in use. The Storyteller Overland Mercedes Sprinter fits into a small overhead cupboard and utilizes a small wet box that you can step into, which also happens to be the place where the toilet is stored to this off-grid camper van. The Storyteller Overland Mercedes Sprinter is an adventure vehicle that has a bed that packs away when not in use. If you and your family like getting off the grid in style and luxury, then the 4-berth Storyteller Overland vehicle could be the best caravan for family drives into the great outdoors. The Storyteller Overland Mercedes Sprinter is perfect for a family with older kids who like to go mountain biking. In 1960, Helmut Knaus established Knaus in Marktredwitz in the Frank, a After that, the rollout of successful history continues for Knaus. They have been here for nearly 30 years, producing motorhomes and ISD, and by now, Knaus is one of the most successful brands of the industry. The Knaus Boxlife 630 AMI shows that they have been thinking completely out of the box and always coming up with new and existing camper vans with the capacity to sleep 7 people. This camper van is Sphere Takata-based camper, has aisles for storage hidden away, which arguably is the second most thing you need to think about holidaying with the family in tow. Modern shelving solutions and practical design elements feature throughout the entire build, all with soft closing flaps so you can keep all the essentials inside of it. There's an onboard weight room with a shower, toilet, sink, sliding mirror, and a spacious kitchen with a bunch of accessories. There's a queen-size bed for your convenience so you can sleep comfortably. The Knaus Boxlife 630 AMI camper van is worthy for every adventure your heart desires and will take you wherever you wanna be. Winnebago founded in Forest City, Iowa in 1958 as a travel trailer company. Winnebago's name is now synonymous with motorhomes from the reinvention of its original 60s era motorhome. The Winnebago Mercedes-Benz Revel 4x4 is a family camper van to go off-road journey for parking in the middle of nowhere or traveling long distance with your partner or kids and pets along with the accessories. This camping van has kitchen clever flip-out table on the outside of the van to create a dining area under the stars. A glass top sink comes complete with a water purifier, and there's an iPad holder underneath the kitchen cupboard so that you can sit around and watch your favorite show at mealtimes. The spacious dining area and the swivel captain chairs into the equation, and you start to get a real sense of family adventure from this camper van. The back section of the Revel can be packed away to make room of all of your travel, bikes, paddle boats, and much more. It is a fresh-looking, functional camper that could be easily used by camper fan enthusiasts of any age. Packed with features, the Winnebago Mercedes-Benz Revel can take you anywhere and ensure smooth and stable drive every time. Heimer's history as a motorhome manufacturer stretches back nearly 50 years, although the company owes its existence to events at least another 40 years earlier in the last century. Herr Alphonse Heimer started this journey with his diploma as a master in the craft of coach building in 1921 in Ravensburg, Germany. From small, compact vehicles to high-quality, luxurious premium models, the Hymer VisionVenture has the perfect motorhome to suit your needs. The semi-integrated and integrated motorhomes on Mercedes chassis come in various sizes with different layouts and features, as well as a pop-top roof and bathroom if desired. It has completely custom Mercedes Sprinter built for rich families who want to land yacht across the world in style with the craziest Heimer VisionVenture camper van. They have used an interior designer to create the inside of the camper van, making everything look as if it's been pulled straight out of the 5-star hotel. The sitting area can be converted into a bed for two that can sleep upstairs in the inflatable pop top. The back doors drop out can act as a balcony, which also has a slide-out barbecue area for you to cook outside on the go. If that is not enough, the front seat swivel will turn it into an office, and the kitchen area has everything you need and more to cook 3-course meals whatever you may be. One of the craziest camper's van you can say is Hymer VisionVenture, which will surely make you feel full of luxury. So that was all about the 5 best camper vans for your camping. Like, comment and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. And do subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.